Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Zach, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. If you haven't watched the last video I made, it was on the DIY mushroom pants. Please go check that video out and drop a like there. I definitely appreciate that. In today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing on these shoes right here. These are the Nike Terminator High in the Be True edition for Pride Month. I've never worn Terminator Highs before, but I really like the look of them. They look a lot like your Jordan 1s and the Nike Dunks as well. Before we get started on the shoes, I just wanted to say happy Pride Month to everyone in the LGBTQ+ community. Just with all the anti-LGBTQ legislation that has been passed recently, I just wanted you all to know that this channel is a safe space for you. You are accepted no matter who you are, and I just wanted to let you know that this Pride Month, even next month when it won't be Pride Month, I still want you to know that you are accepted on this channel, and I really appreciate just you being here and watching this video. And I really hope that you do have a good Pride Month as well. All right, let's get started with the unboxing. I was on Instagram actually, and Nike had an ad for these right here, the Nike Terminator High in the Be True collection. They have these really cool charms on them, which you'll see in a second when we open them up. I really like the design. They're very subtle, a nice white and cream tone, but then on the back it has the Nike letters in this really cool pastel rainbow font, just to kind of match the theme of the Be True shoes this year. I haven't gotten to wear them yet, but I wanted to unbox them for you before I did that, so let's get started with that. I really like when you open it up, you have your Be True paper as well, so we'll open that up. Yeah, I did open these up just a little bit just so I could see, but I wanted to keep them in the package just so I could open them up on camera. But I really like what they did with the design this year. It's just a very subtle cream on some parts of the shoe, white on the other part. I really liked these shoes because they had all these little charms on the back, all cut to closer up so you can see all the little details of the shoes. I really like the lettering on the back, how they follow the pastel rainbow colors on the back. I was really surprised on the website. I got them because of the charms, because I really did like the charms on the shoe. I didn't know it came with charms for both pairs of shoes. So what's really cool is you can either keep both of them on, or what I'm probably going to do is have the charms on one shoe, keep one shoe without the charms. Wanted to show the back a little bit. I really like the Nike logo in the rainbow colors. You have a variety of different charms, which is really cool. You have a little Be True charm there. I'll put close-ups of these as well, just so you can see it a little bit better. You have your little heart there. Sounds like a little sunshine with the Nike logo. You have a heart. You have a peace sign. I really like the attention to detail with the little nails on there with the Nike logo. And then I really like these last two charms because they are metal charms. You get a little Nike shoe with the rainbow and your Nike logos as well. Overall, they're really clean shoes. I really like the little details and the pops of color that they added. One more thing before I forget, on the toe, I'll see if I can show it here, but it does say Be True is to be, and I think you're supposed to put your name there. And then it also has the Be True on the tongue. But overall, again, I really like the simplicity of those shoes with the little pops of color and the little details. I really think it's just a good everyday shoe. That's all I really wanted to say on the shoes. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did have any questions about the shoes or anything like that, go ahead and drop those in the comments, as well as leave any constructive criticism that you may have for me. Also, if you did like this video, please definitely give it a like. I would definitely appreciate it. And again, I just wanted to say happy Pride Month to everyone in the LGBT community. And that's it for this video. I'll see you next time.